Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely Porsche Macan. Now this is the 2 litre T, 2019 on a 69 plate, finished in the stunning Carmine Red. The factory options on this car are absolutely ace. So let's have a look. We've got the signature Porsche Dynamic Lighting System Plus. So you get the lovely 4 LEDs within the very intelligent headlamps. The Carmine Red looks ace on the car. We've got the sort of black styling bits on it as well. We've got the body coloured side blades, so these normally come in a dark plastic, not to everyone's taste. The body coloured looks fantastic. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these upgrade 21-inch alloys. These are the wheels that you normally find on your Cayennes, on your sort of Panamera, Taycans. A very popular wheel, dual tone, diamond turned, with the grey detailing inside. They're riding on very nice tyres as well. So looking down the side, no signs of any dents, dings. You've got privacy glass on this one, lovely black window surrounds coming through to the back. This is obviously a facelift car, so on the older versions you just had your tail lamps. On these ones you've got a lovely band which joins them. You've got the Porsche inset there, and it looks really, really smart. Now opening the boot on a Macan, this little button just below the rear wiper, all electric, so press the button, elegantly glides up. We've got the loading cover on this one, so have a look at the carpets, definitely no hard use in the back of there. Under there then as well, bit of added storage. We've got a 12-volt power outlet, split folding rear seats, parcel shelf is present. You've got your warning triangle in there, press the button, and it glides down. Boot plinth is all in nice order as well, so you can tell nothing's ever been scratched. It's taking stuff in and out of the car. Nice silver rear tailpipes, nice lower diffuser, looks very sporty. Now these 2 litre T's, 2 litre turbos, fantastic to drive, superb fuel efficiency on them, still very performance orientated cars. So a very nice size, not too big, not too small. 250 brake horsepower, so plenty of punch in them. And then with the PDK gearbox, it's one of the best gearboxes on the market today. Big factory option, full 360 cameras, so you've got the camera to the front, rear and the sides, makes parking a breeze. Now if we jump inside, Alex, show them the seats. So these seats, half leather, half Alcantara seats, lovely. Looking at the driver's seat, the driver's bolster, seat base, they're in absolutely ace order. Obviously getting in and out of the car, this is where you pick up most of your wear. All the interiors in nice order as well, so obviously no spillages, no rips, no tears. This is a fully electric 3-way memory sports seat. Quickly looking through to the back. Just look at those seats, you can tell never seen any hard use. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3, loads of leg room, central cup holders, that's all in nice order. You've got rear temp on this one as well, so hot, cold, and 2 USB Type-C connections, so fantastic if you've got kids. Charge your phone, your iPad in the back. Plastic backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked, they've not been scratched, they're in nice order. You can tell whoever's owned this car has truly cherished it in their years of ownership. Mega low mileage, fantastic service history, so if you read through the advert, all the service history's at the bottom of the ad. We've got the original tailored floor mats. Keys wise, we've got keyless entry and keyless start on this vehicle, which is a very nice factory option, so you don't necessarily need to put the key in the ignition and twist it. As you can tell, both keys are present, both in very nice order. Automatic lights, voice command, you've got cruise control, speed limiter at the bottom there, nice sports steering wheel. On there's all your volume controls, Bluetooth phone. Obviously, because it's the PDK, you've got the flappy paddles, allowing you to drive the car manually. They're nice aluminium. Park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, 3 or 2-way memory sports seats, electric tailgate, and then this is the latest infotainment system. Very easy to use, very responsive. You get a click feedback as well. So as you can tell, full DAB radio. Got all the car information on there, so assistance, vehicle settings and much more. Satellite navigation, which is very easy to follow, very responsive. It's just like playing on your iPad. All your apps are there as well. Hotel, parking, restaurants, it can find it all for you. Now looking down the centre panel, what I like about this car is most luxury cars now have gone to a big screen or 2 screens, and there's no physical buttons, whereas this has stayed true to Porsche, and you've got these lovely buttons all throughout the car. So dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got hill descent, we've got air conditioning max, you can sync the climates, making it easier if it's just you alone in the car. Heated front seats, which is another lovely factory option, and to add to that we've also got the heated steering wheel. Took us a while to figure out where the button is for the heated steering wheel. It's just down here, so you press that there and it pops up on the little screen saying heated steering wheel on. Nice little screen there as well. So through there you've got your sat nav, you've got your miles till empty, all your main information that you need, oil temps, driving information, that's all found up on there. Now coming back to the centre, we've got lane departure warning, auto stop start, traction control, sport mode, which you definitely feel a difference when you flick it into that. Off-road modes, power outlets, central cup holders, central armrest. We've got SIM card, 2 USB Type-Cs and an SD card. So the SIM card, you can get a duplicate from your phone. You don't even need to bring your phone with you. You can stick that in there, answer phone calls directly through the car. But it's a nice thing. Not been smoked in, doesn't smell of any pets. Steering wheel has no nicks. Seat is in absolutely ace order. Looking at all the grab handles, you can tell this is a cherished example, and it's very hard to find them in this sort of condition. So if you'd like anything further on this car, if you've got a part exchange, if you need finance, give us a call, 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.